Today on the Bubby Boys, we are growing our own butterflies with our butterfly garden. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe. New videos every week. Alright guys, it looks like we got a shipment of butterflies in today. Alright, well they're caterpillars actually that are gonna grow into butterflies, is that right?
Yes, so today we have the butterfly garden that we got from Amazon.
Cool.
Let's open this up and see what we've got inside.
Let's see what we got in there, guys. Oh, caterpillars. Is that a net for the butterflies?
That is a habitat for the butterflies.
Habitat. This is where you put the butterflies, the caterpillars, when they're going to.
When they form into a chrysalis.
Yeah.
And then we also have nectar, so once it turns into a butterfly, you can feed them the nectar.
Okay.
Yeah, you can make a nectar.
It does come with instructions.
Alright, cool. Alright, so we got the journal in there.
And you get a butterfly raising certificate.
Oh, okay, cool. I think I will be the winner of the certificate for my science observations.
Have you been taking care of the butterflies for the past few days?
No, I have not. And then we got the butterflies, our caterpillars.
Right now they're the caterpillars, and this is the most important part. And so they arrive not really moving, and it takes a few days, and they move up to the top of the cup where they eventually are going to form into the chrysalis. So we see this caterpillar there, he's a little slow to move to the top, and the others have already started moving to the top.
They are starting the chrysalis transformation.
And it will take 3 days for the chrysalis to actually harden. And when it hardens, we're going to move them over to this container here.
Yep.
And then we're going to place them in our habitat, and we're going to wait another 7 days for it to form into butterflies.
Alright, so that will be cool. You guys think we're gonna grow some butterflies?
Yeah, Ari can calm himself down with the hey.
He's starting to transform. He done snuck in here and ate him something after midnight.
Welcome back to the Bubby Boys. Today we are on day 2 of our caterpillars. And I don't know if you could see that, but 3 of our caterpillars already start their cocoons. The other one's still moving slowly, trying to get his cocoon ready. Tomorrow we might have to move them to the butterfly garden. Yay! I don't even know where the slow one is though. Oh, it's right there if you can see it.
We've got 3 of them there, and they have formed a chrysalis. And they're just kind of hanging and waiting.
Alright, so we are on day 3 of the chrysalis. And we've got...
One of them is shaking, so we're trying to move them to the butterfly garden.
Yeah, we're gonna move them to the butterfly garden because one of them is shaking here like he is going through metamorphosis.
Now we do have one that's still in caterpillar form. He's just been taking a while to kind of get to where the others are at.
You guys see that? He's in there shaking, going through his metamorphosis to turn into a butterfly. All right, so we got to transition these to the garden. Is that right?
Yes.
All right, so let's transition. Let's be very careful.
Oh, this webbing is really, really hard.
Wow. So they are in there in their cocoon state. And they've got like a webbing. What do you think, Ari? What do you think, Ari? You think it's gonna turn into a butterfly? She is very gently removing all of the webbing.
I mean, it is really thick webbing.
I think I can kind of feel like mommy pulling off the webbing while I'm holding the back of it.
Wow.
It feels super weird.
Yeah, they are. All right. Okay, let's start the transfer. We have them in their garden now. They are in there safely. And we will continue to monitor any action here. Hopefully this other guy will get his opportunity to flip over.
So we got the nectar.
Okay, what do you do with the nectar?
So it has a recipe on the back of these to tell you what to do with the nectar and how to correctly make the nectar good enough for the butterflies.
Oh, so the butterflies eat the nectar,
Yep.
not the caterpillars.
Butterflies do not eat caterpillars. They eat
I meant the caterpillars don't eat nectar. Okay, so now we're just kind of in a wait mode, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just have to wait for like 7 days and then it might be good.
All right, so we'll continue to document it, guys. I think we'll just document it a day at a time. We might have a problem. We got one who didn't get in his cocoon, and now he's
Oh, good.
bothering
He's
the
safe.
other guys on their cocoons.
He's like, I don't care that you don't get your cocoon. You got your cocoon. I'm just gonna save my butt on your cocoon.
I haven't seen that other one move.
He's taking a nap.
He's like,
Okay, so we are on day 3 of the butterflies being in their chrysalis. And we have the 3 of them together. And then we had our late bloomer that finally decided that he was going to join along. And it's kind of hard to see him through here, but he also kind of attached to the back. You can actually see the butterfly starting to develop.
so our first butterfly has hatched, and as you can see right here, it's waiting to expand out its wings.
And it's come out of the
It just came out
chrysalis.
of the chrysalis. See its wings spreading out? Whoa. That butterfly's just disrespecting the other caterpillar's cocoon and just sitting there.
He is sitting on top of the other one's cocoon.
Okay, so we are on day 6 and we've got butterflies flying around, don't we, guys?
Yes.
Let's have a look at what we got going on in here.
Some of our butterflies came early.
Wow. Look at, they came out of their cocoon shells. Their shells are still hanging there.
Our butterflies came early. They're supposed to come out day 7.
So what's the next step in the process?
So tomorrow, when the last one, the slow one hatches, we are going to release them.
Do we feed them?
Yes, you can put fruit or
A mixture of sugar water.
sugar.
So you're going to mix 2 sugar packets, a 1/3 cup of water, and stir and dissolve. And then you're going to use this little dropper to drop some sugar water onto here so that it can drink. And last night we actually cut up a piece of fruit and just let them have fruit.
Okay, so what do we got here to make some butterfly food? Never heard of it, never ate it before. What do they like?
Sugar water.
Sugar water. You mean the butterflies drink Kool-Aid?
I think it's yellow Kool-Aid.
All right, so go ahead and put your packets. How much water do we need?
2/3 cup of water.
2/3 a cup of water, okay. Got it, check.
Oops, I'm sorry, it was 1/3 cup of water.
Oh, 1/3 cup of water.
1/3.
About to overdose the butterflies here.
Butterflies were about to be overdosed.
You ever heard of, what is it called? Water intoxication, honey? What are they drinking? Is it a little cup or something you put in there?
We're going to stir it with the little pipette.
Put all the sugar in there. Make sure there's none of the sugar left.
Who would have known butterflies were sugar fiends?
Put 10,000 drops.
That sure is a big old thing of water to make just to drop a few little droplets. I think you're supposed to chug it. I think you're supposed to do chug-a-lug, chug-a-lug, chug-a-lug.
Honey, is this what? No, stop that. A few drops of nectar onto your butterfly feeder or on a cotton ball and place in the habitat. Okay? Or provide your butterflies with slices of fresh fruit. And so this is so that you have enough to give them nectar for a few days.
You must do the chug-a-lug.
I choose chug-a-lug, 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 chug-a-lug.
No.
These are painted lady butterflies.
Painted lady.
Yeah, and they is ready for the baby.
They ready for the baby?
Mm-hmm. Probably. They just like. See how they fly? They can't control how they fly.
Well, they just got their wings. They're learning how to fly, right?
And this is a small environment. They don't really get to.
See, he's testing his wings right now. See him flapping them up.
Ah!
He's going for the water. He smells it. Chug-a-lug, 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 chug-a-lug,
You
chug-a-lug.
must just do the super chug-a-lug. What happened? What happened? What happened, Mom?
All right, he is eating the orange.
He is done right now.
Oh, he's
So-
done eating.
We are on the last day. We took them outside because we are going to be releasing them today.
Yes, we are gonna let them free. So let's take them down to the woods, and what do you say we let them free? Let them live their life.
Yeah.
All right.
And then they lay eggs.
All right, so we are on day 7, and we are gonna release the butterflies. It's been a long journey. These guys started off as caterpillars together. Then they went in their cocoons together.
The slow one didn't go there.
Yeah, one of them went last. But now they're ready to start their own lives and move out on their own and live free. So we are gonna let them go. All right, Ada. Let's go ahead and
But the daddy.
free the butterfly. Just be careful and open it and hold it up. All right, come on, butterflies. This is your chance at freedom. We gotta get them to fly out.
There's a go to freedom.
All right, our first one is gone.
Go to freedom. Go to freedom. Once I'm ready to see. Where's the other one?
So we have 2 of them that have flown off.
This one doesn't want to go.
Go ahead, butterflies. You are free. You are free.
Just flying. It's still not.
Alright, what are you trying to lure him out with?
He's trying. Baby, coming out. And Lucy.
Oh, he's gone.
Oh,
He is gone. He is way out of here. I'm willing to bet this was the one who went in this cocoon last. You are now free, my friend.
You ready to fly?
He is ready. He is
And
gone.
he's kind of same tree on that leaf.
All right, you guys tell the butterflies bye.
Bye.
All
I think they're just gonna start laying eggs right now.
Still.
right, how was the butterfly experiment? Growing your own butterflies, guys.
Alright, how many bubbles do you think? Yeah! I think he means a lot by 100 out of 10.
All right, what did you learn? You learn anything?
That caterpillars are butterflies.
They turn to butterflies.
Yeah, and I saw a life cycle of butterflies.
All right, pretty cool. Life cycle of a butterfly. All right, see you guys next time.
On Bubby Boys